Good day and welcome to the Bonus How To. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this ugly taskbar where you can't see through. Let's make it beautiful again. First, open the store in Windows. If you don't have Windows, it's probably a chance it's also for Mac or Linux on their website. It's called Translucent Taskbar. I'm not going to install it here, but you can also download on GitHub. I'm going to install it in the store. Open your store, type Translucent Taskbar. You can already see it, TB. Download it, open the application, and there you go. It's already done. You could read this. I'm just going to continue. And you can see it's in your system tray, which is right over here. Click on this one. This is the system tray. And here is probably where you're going to find it. Translucent TB. If you right click on it, it's going to show you more options. So let's say I have a window here, and if I full screen it, I want this to be normal again. So you can go here, you can go to a translucent TB, right click on it, and a maximize window. This means if it's completely maximized, it's going to enable. So I'm just going to click on this one. You can really see a change. Let me change it a bit different. So click on normal, and there you go, it's normal again. So when I maximize the window, it goes normal again. I don't want that, so I'm just going to disable it right over here. And there you go, my taskbar is beautiful again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and comment if I missed anything. So see you in the next one.